The wall. Okay, go.
Hi folks, I'm Mark Prescott from Agrisite, and we are here on the Binghamton University campus installing a new biological wall that Agrisite has developed for cleaning interior air. We're doing this in conjunction with Interiorscapes, Karen and Greg, and they're doing the planting and the design. And this wall is 8 feet wide by 15 feet tall. It's double-sided, and it can clean 300 cubic feet of air per minute, biologically cleaning the air, and that's removing VOCs, volatile organic compounds, bioeffluents, odors, and basically just improving indoor air quality for this building on the campus. There's going to be a shroud here covering up the mechanicals, and there'll be a weight plants, which we'll show you in a few minutes as we get this planted up. Good.
And it's going to go right over these emitters. This will release the water from the irrigation as well as the air for the aerogation that will provide the phytoremediation.